Today's Lahui is made up of many young Hawaiians that have educated themselves. And so they know the facts, yeah, the true facts of our history, our culture, and our traditions. Unlike me, yeah, late bloomer, yeah, I went to school when I was just about 40 and realized, my gosh, there's so much to learn about my own culture that I've never known before. Although I've been raised in the culture, not at the depth that I was exposed to in Hawaii Nui Akea. That's the school of knowledge, Hawaiian knowledge. Yeah, so exciting times. I just love it, love all of it. Yeah, that's happening.